Welcome to C Programming Tutorials. This is a production of YouTube channel Learnorama and the Facebook page Awesome C Programming Tutorials in High Def. This tutorial is actually a continuation of the previous tutorial or previous video. We are actually learning about array of pointers. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial, please do so. The link of the tutorial must be on the screen right now. So let's get started. So we were actually trying to write a small program here to demonstrate the use of array of pointers, and what I'm trying to do here is actually creating multiple strings: name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4 equals I don't know, Mike. Okay, and now I declare and suppose I want to sort them together. Okay, yeah, I want to sort them out. Okay, I want to give them an order, from the first using the first character, right? So which one should come first? I, J, K, L, M, F. Frank should be first, then Joe, and then Katie, and then Mike. Okay, Frank, Joe, Katie, Mike. Okay, these are the four. This should be the order. Okay, so how are we going to order it? Let's create an array of pointers. Okay, and each one would be a character type. So character pointer, character pointer, P, names. Okay, this has names, and how many of those? 4, because we want to store 4 names. Right? And you could actually, just like any characters, you should be able to do that. Just like any arrays, initialization of any array, you could do something like this. This will store 0 in each and every element of this thing, which is basically the same as null, storing null. Okay, so it will make these pointers it will initialize these pointers to null so that they don't point to anywhere. Okay, and then what I do is I say P. Now there are algorithms to basically do this. We could start by in the same order, and we have algorithms. Algorithms are basically a step-by-step process that will achieve something that you want to do. So there are algorithms that can do sorting for you. Okay, they will sort this for you. They are I don't want to say complex, but they are beyond the scope of this tutorial because we are trying to learn about the array of pointers here. So we are not going to do that. So we are going to assign those values. Okay, so the first element, the first pointer is p name of 0, and that should be pointing to name 2. If I make it point to name 2, then Frank would be the same as p name of 0. Okay, and then the second should be the which one would come for F G H I J Joe. Okay, so name 1, and then p name 2 is equal to Katie, so that would be name 3, right? And p name 4 is equal to name 4, right? So see, even though these names were in different order, okay, and they were totally independent of each other, we made them using the pointer, we sorted them out. So this is what it looks like actually. If we try to draw this, it's from the previous tutorial. Okay, clean it up. Now this is what happened when this program. In this program, we have created an array of characters or a string, and we have stored Joe in it. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, we have an array of characters. Okay, its name is name 1. Okay, and it has 4 elements. And this is what they look like. And in the first element, we will store J. In the second element, we will store O, E, and then the end of a string. which is 0, null character. Null character is also end of string. Okay, so we store 0 here. And j, we store j. What do we mean when we say we store j? We actually store s key of j, a code corresponding to j. Okay, because the only thing we can store is actually numbers. So the numeric code corresponding to j, that's what's stored here. Similarly, we have Frank in name2, right? F R A N K, and a null character, right? So name2 must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements long. The same thing with Katie. K-A-T-Y 0. So that's name3, right? And then we have Mike. M-I-K-E, and then 0, and this is name 4, right? And then we said that, okay, let's allocate an array of pointers, and it will have 4 elements, and each element will be an array itself. So how would we represent that? Something like this. Okay, 4 pointers. Okay, this is an array of pointers, and this is the name of that array, p name, right? And then we said p name of 0 is equal to name2. What does that mean? What is name2? Name2 is actually the address of this string, Frank. Okay, it's the same thing. The name of an array is an address. So name2 is the address, and we are storing that address into this pointer p name of 1. Okay, into this element of this array of pointers. So what do we do? This is like p name of 0, this is p name of 1, this is p name of 2, and this is p name of 3. So in p name of 0, we are storing the pointer address of name2 that will make this p name of 0 point here. Okay, and then in name 1, the address of name 1, we are storing it in here. Okay, so name 1 on 1, that will make it point here, and then name 3 to name 2 like this, and then name 4 to, sorry, I had wrote 3 here. We need to write right here. So as soon as we assign this name 4 to the third element, it will start pointing right here. So now these are, if you access one by one this array, they will be in sorted order. So let me real quick write that loop for integer I. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. Okay, and then if we try to printf %s strings, right? %s \n for next line, and then we say p name of I. Okay, so we print out all those strings using this array. We should see those in order. So let me run this program real quick. Okay, it's saying p name not declared. Oh, it's names. Okay, so let's see. Printf %name p names, again another error. There we go. Look at this. We have Frank, Joe, Katie, Mike in the same order, in the real order. Not in these are sorted. This is not sorted. So this concludes the tutorial on array of pointers. Thank you so much.